Well, hello, you great students out there. Welcome to Recording 1C on the Sine Law from Unit 2, Chapter 2 of Trigonometry in Mathematics 2200. We'll focus on proving the sine law. Recall that the sine law can be used to find missing side and angle measures in any triangle. But why does it work? That's what we're about here. Here I have a hypothetical triangle ABC. It's not a right triangle, so we cannot apply any right triangle trigonometry to it. However, if we share it up into two right triangles by adding in the altitude, in other words, the height of the triangle, I can now work with the left side of the triangle or the left side small right triangle ABD or the right side one. So we hide triangle ABD first, like so. Now we can apply some right triangle trigonometry for angle C, formed by these two sides. That equals H over B. So we've just used a bit of right triangle trig where the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Now we put triangle ABD back and we hide triangle ADC. And now we can apply right triangle trig for angle B, formed by these two sides. And angle B, the sine of that angle is H over C. So we'll put that into our table. It has the same reason, so we'll include it in the same statement. Next, if we bring this B over, multiply it by sine C, in other words, kind of like cross multiplication, we will have H equals B sine C. Likewise, we can do the same thing here, H equals C sine B. So we've got that by a bit of cross multiplication. Next, we recognize that B sine C is equal to H and C sine B is equal to H. So they're both equal to H. Therefore, they're equal to each other. That's the substitution property. You may have seen that in systems of equations in Math 1201. Substitution. Some of you may know that as transitive property. Equally valid here. Now we're not quite to the sine law yet. If I take both sides of that equation and divide it by BC, divide by BC here and by BC here. That will allow me to divide my B into my B to get 1 on the left side here. And I can divide my C into my C to get 1. Like so. A little bit of difficulty there marking. But in a nutshell, we wind up here with sine of C over C equals sine of angle B over little b. And we got that by dividing by BC on both sides. We could do some more similar work to include the third part of the formula, sine of A over A. But we'll leave it there for this recording. You may want to review this for your records and copy those reasons into the notes provided. So you can complete these notes based on the recording, and we'll move on to our summary. The sine law can be proven for any triangle and can be applied to find measurements in any type of triangle.